YouTube? This is gonna be my first video in a video series of restoring this old 1979 cj7. It's a 4.2 liter 6-cylinder with a 4-speed T18 transmission. It's in some pretty rough shape. Got a lot of rust. Gonna be replacing floorboards. Honestly, most of the body is gonna probably end up being replaced. But I'm gonna try and see how cheap I can do it, because I like being budget friendly. I already have some of the replacement panels. Just gotta get some mechanical things running first before I start making it look pretty. It does crank over, runs, but the gas tank's not hooked up. Gotta play with that later. It has factory AC in it without the compressor. But it's just going to be another one of my projects. That Cherokee over there is probably going to be parted out to pay for this Renegade. And as you can see, pretty nasty rust on the windshield. That's going to all be replaced. And inside has, all the gauges, but it also has a giant rust hole. Some spare parts in the back, but it's a good start. The frame is my biggest fear, and it seems to be really okay. Gonna play with this over the next couple months, try to do some YouTube videos on kind of like a following / how-to. Probably won't be very detailed how-to, but that depends on how popular this gets. So, gonna have some fun with this. See what we can do. Take forever to fry. What?
That's noisy.
When you rev it up, it's louder too. Kill it. Went and pulled the tire off, and I pulled the drum off, and I figured out why the rear cylinder was leaking. It's because it literally has no brakes in here. Someone put this back together and sold it with absolutely no brakes in it. Yes, that is some like backhanded, I don't even know. That just kind of makes me mad. Oh well. So I decided not to care about the back brakes right now, because I want to get this to at least drive. and the front brakes so far seem to work, but the clutch is stuck or broken, so we're going to be removing the transmission and seeing what's wrong with it from there. I'll probably have a second video on pulling the transmission apart. This is going to be the end of the first one. If you actually want to see what happens to this rusty hunk of junk, you can go ahead and like, subscribe, follow me, and see where it goes. Will it live, or will I take it to the junkyard eventually?